Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here with an Avanti power mod. This machine was brought in because it was leaking from around the portafilter. We needed a replacement gasket and a tune-up where we remove the screen, replace the screen, deep clean, back flush, descale the machine. Now here it is working once again. Shot. Looking great. Perhaps a bit slow. Grind might be a little tight for this little machine. It's a little vibratory pump. But looking great. We'll stop there. Let's kick in some steam. See what the pressure's like. May need a minute. Always purge water first. The pressure's not quite there. Just need another minute to get it. Can feel and hear the machine heating. Alright, let's try again. There we go. Pressure is built up. Getting some nice steam. Alright, there we go. No longer leaking from around the portafilter. Avanti working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.